Hello children of class 3, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning subtraction. How to solve word problem on subtraction. So children, we are going to continue the same topic. Yesterday, we have left on number 6. Okay, so today, we are going to start from question number 6, word problem on subtraction. So children, I welcome you all once again in your maths class. This is your maths video class. So children, let's start. Today is 7th July 2021. Okay. Okay children, and we are learning subtraction. Exercise number 3.5. Exercise 3.5 we are doing, and we were on question number 6. So this question you can find on page number 53 in your composite mathematics. Okay, page number 53 in your composite mathematics. So I am going to read this question first. Anu bought 200 bottles of milk in the months of April and May. She bought 98 bottles in April. How many bottles did she buy in May? Okay. Children, first I'll write this question on the board, then we will solve this. So here question number 6 is Anu bought 200 bottles of milk in the months of April and May. April and May. Okay. Now, she bought 98 bottles. She bought 98 bottles. 98 bottles in April. Okay. Now, how many bottles did she buy in May? How many bottles did she buy in May? In May. Okay. First of all, we should understand what is the question asking. So, Anu bought 200 bottles. Anu ने 200 bottles खरीदी milk bottle in the month of April and May. April and May month दोनों को मिलाकर she bought 200 bottles of milk. She bought 98 bottles in April. And now here you can see 98 bottles only she bought in month of April. So the question is, how many bottles did she buy in May? The question is, so कितनी bottle उसने May में खरीदी? April में she already bought 98 bottles. So how many bottles she bought in month of May? So children, first what we will do? We will start writing solution, and first we have to subtract from 200 to 98. Okay, so let's start writing solution children. Write this question in your copy and then start writing solution. This is question number 6 we are doing children. So I am going to write over here solution. Okay, solution. So number of milk bottles bottles Anu bought. Anu bought. Total number of bottles, how many? 200. Okay. Now, number of bottles, number of milk bottles she bought in April, in month of April, that is 98. Okay. Now next line, number of bottles, of milk bottles she bought in May. So here equal to 298. So what we will get? Here children you can see. So children, let's subtract. Here you can see 0 is there. So what we will do? We will ask help. Okay. So again at tens place you can see 0 is there. So he will also ask help from 100. So 100 will give 1 to this tens, and tens will give 1 to 110 to this 0 ones. So now it has become 10 ones and 8. Okay. So we have to subtract 10 minus 8. So we will get 2 over here. Now here you can see 9 and 9. 9 is left over here because this has given 1 tens to this 0 ones. So here 9 is there, 9 and 9 equal to 0, and here 1 is left. So we will write 1. So answer is, we will write answer, she bought, or you can say Anu bought 102 bottles, milk bottles in month of May. Okay, it means उसने 102 bottles खरीदी May month में. Okay, so completed children, or take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the next question children. Okay, next question. So our next question is, there are 430 seats in cinema hall. On one day 85 seats were found vacant in a show. How many people saw the movie in that show? Write the number sentence. So children, this is another word problem. So there are 430 seats in a cinema hall. एक cinema hall में 430 seats हैं. Okay. On one day 85 seats were found vacant in a show. और एक दिन 85 seats vacant यानी खाली, okay, खाली दिखी शो में. How many people saw the movie in that show? The question is, कितने लोगों ने उस दिन मूवी देखी, क्योंकि 85 seats खाली थी, vacant थी, और 400 seats थी पूरी टोटल सिनेमा हॉल में. So one day 85 seats were found vacant. So how many people saw the movie in that show? यानी कितने लोगों ने उस दिन मूवी देखा, उस दिन की मूवी शो देखा. Write the number sentence. First, what we will do? First, we will write number of seats in cinema hall. So there are 430 seats, and on one day, how many seats were vacant? 85 seats. So you will write number of seats were vacant equal to 85. Okay. Now, third line you will write number of seats. Okay, so how many people saw the movie in that show? So the number of the people saw this show, you just subtract 230 to 85. Okay children, so let's write first word problem, then we will write solution. Okay, so we are on 7 number. 7 number we are doing, children. So at 7 number you can see there are 430 seats in the cinema hall. There are 430 seats in cinema hall. In cinema hall. Okay. In cinema hall, on one day, 85 seats were found. 85 seats were found vacant in a show. Vacant in a show. So the question is, how many people saw, how many people saw the movie in that show? Movie in that show. Write this answer in number names. So children, first of all you will write this question, then after that I'll write solution on the board. So first you complete it, and now I am moving for the solution. Okay, write it down children. Now I am going to write solution first. So solution we are writing of number 7 question. Number of seats in cinema hall equal to 430. Okay, number of seats were found vacant on one day. Okay, so how many seats were found vacant? You can see over there 85 seats. So the question is, how many people saw the movie in that show? So now we are going number of people saw the show on that day. So for this we have to subtract 430 minus 85. Okay, 430 minus 85. Okay, now what we will get? So this 3 will give 1 to this 0 ones, so it will become 10, and here you can see 2 is left. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here you can see 2 is left, so 2 is smaller than 8. So what we will do, we will ask help from 4. 4 will give help. So at 10's place you can see it will become 12, and now 3 is left at the 100 place. So 12 minus 8, you can do reverse counting, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 4 is left. Okay, now here you can see 3 is there. So we will write 3 because no number is there. So we have subtract 430 to 85. So what we will get? 345. Okay, so answer we will write over here. Answer 345 people saw the show on that day. उस दिन कितने लोगों ने शो देख लिया? 345. So children, complete it. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, children. Complete it. This question. And after that, we will move to the number 9, children. So complete it, children. First, we have written number of seats in cinema hall 430. Number of seats were found vacant on one day 85. Number of people saw the show on that day. So we have subtract 430 to 85. So we will get 345 the difference. So the answer we will write 345 people saw the show on that day, on that particular day. So children, write it down or take a screenshot. Okay. Children, now we are moving to the question number 8. I hope this question you have completed. Now question number 8. First, I'll read this question. There are 236 students in a school. There are 236 students in a school. The number of boys is 128. So how many girls are there? Question is very simple. We have already done as an example in our previous videos. So question is total number of students in a school is 236. It means पूरे बच्चे कितने हैं? 236. The number of boys is 128. और कितने number of boys हैं उसमें से? 236 में से कितने boys हैं? 128. So आपको girls का number पता करना है. You have to check out how many girls are there in a school. So children, let's write first this word problem, then we will write solution. Okay, so we are on question number 8, children. So I am going to write on the board, there are 236 students in a school. Okay, now the number of boys is how many? 128. Okay. So here the question is how many girls are there? How many girls are there in this school? Okay, so write it down first and after that we will write solution. Okay, completed? Okay, children. Now we are moving to solve this question. We are going to write solution, children. So solution, start writing, children. Number of students in a school. Okay. How many students? 236. 236. Okay. Now number of boys in a school equal to 128. Okay. Now number of girls in the school. For this we have to subtract first. What we are going to subtract? Total number of students and the number of student of boys. Okay, so now we will subtract first 236 minus 128. Okay, first we will do this. Now here 6 is a smaller number, as you all know, children. So what we will do? We will ask help. We will ask help from tens column. Tens will give 110, so it will become 16. Now here 2 is left. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Again 2 and 2 is there. So what we will do? We will write over 0. Now 2 and 1 is left. So this is 108. So how many girls are there in a school? We will write answer. There are 108 girls in the school. Okay. Now 236 total number of students, and out of the total number of students 128 boys are there and 108 girls are there. Okay. So you can do this question and take a screenshot. Completed, children. Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 9, children. So complete it. I am waiting. Just complete it. Okay. Now I think you have completed. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 9. Tinu read 829 pages of her storybook. The book contains 978 pages. How many pages are still to be read? It means Tinu read 829 pages of her storybook. Tinu ने कितने pages पढ़ लिए अपनी story book के? 829. The book contains 978 pages. और book में कितने pages हैं total? 978. So the question is, how many pages are still to be read? Are still to be read. It means कितने questions, कितने pages अभी भी बच गए हैं उसको पढ़ने के लिए. So children, first we will write question on this board. You will write in your copy and then we will do solution. Okay children, so let's start. I am going to erase this. I hope you have completed. Now we are on question number 9, children. Question number 9, we are doing Tinu read 829 pages. 829 pages of her storybook. Of her story book. Okay. The book contains 978 pages. 978 pages. Okay. Now children, what is the question? Question is, how many pages are still? How many pages are still to be read. Okay, now complete this question in your copy. After that we will write solution. So complete it, children. Okay, take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the solution. Okay, now we are going to write solution. Okay, children, complete this question. I hope you have done. Now, solution I am going to write over here. Solution of question number 9. Okay, number of pages Tinu read. Okay, Tinu read equal to how many pages she read? 829. 829. Now, number of pages are there in storybook equal to 978. 978. Okay. Now, next line we will write number of pages are still left to be read. Okay. Now equal to, we will do first, what we will do? We will subtract from 829 to 978. So we will write 978 because this is total number of pages in the storybook, and how much she read? She read 829. Okay, 829 पढ़ चुकी है, और टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस कितने आपके स्टोरी बुक में? 978. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू माइनस 829 minus. Okay, so here you can see this is the small number 8. So what we will do? We will ask help from tens column. So tens will give 1 10, so it will become 18, because tens column has given 1 tens to this 1's 8. So now here what is left? 6 is left. So 18 minus 9 is 9, and 6 minus 2 is 4, and here you can see 9 minus 8 is 1. So 149 pages are still left to be read. Okay, so now we are going to write answer. Okay, children, so write down answer. Now what we will write as an answer? "149 pages are left to be read." Okay, 149 pages are left to be read. So children, complete it. Now we are moving to the next question, that is number 10. Okay, number 10 we will do. First you complete this. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, children. Okay. Now I am going to read number 10. At number 10 you can see, in a cricket match, our team scored 435 runs. An Australian team scored 146 runs less than our team. So how many runs did Australian team score? So now here question is, in cricket match, our team is Indian team. Indian team has scored 435 runs. 435 runs उन्होंने score किए, बनाए. And Australian team scored 146 runs less than our team. उन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम में 146 रन लेस, उनसे कम बनाए. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मैनी रन्स डिड ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम स्कोर. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि कितने टोटल रन ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम ने बनाए, और उसने, आपको ये पता होगा कि उसने 146 रन कम बनाए इंडियन टीम से. सो वी विल राइट सॉल्यूशन. ओके, try to solve this question by yourself, okay, but we will do in our next class also. So you just match it, your answer, in your next class. So children, read it and complete it by yourself. So children, this question only. So we will continue this exercise in our next video also. So children, till then, bye bye and thank you.